Want to count this? Okay, here, ready? Say 1. Here's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 8. Yay!
Oh my goodness, it is amazing. Oh my gosh, you are such a counter.
Today is July 8th, 2009.
Or she not believe she just counted to 10.